This is unripe plantain fish pie. Unripe plantain fish pie. I know you will like it, and it's even good for a diabetes patient. It's good for everybody, but especially for diabetes patient. Now it's about to enter oven. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. To my channel. Today we want to do unripe meat pie, unripe plantain meat pie. As we go, you see the way I'm cutting it. You can see it now. I finished cutting. We are going to cook it and boil it so that it will turn. This is carrot. It's carrot and cut so that I will use this for the meat pie. Again, you can see I want to use this for the filling. Now I'm going to mix it with the carrot. You see my carrot, I'm mixing it with the carrot. This is my carrot and the fish. You can see it. My carrot and the fish. Just a piece of salt. Turn it very well. And leave it on the fire. Potato. So I have to remove the back. It's very hot. You see? My Irish potato. You see, you mix it very well. Mix it very well. Make sure everything is together. Okay. You can see the unripe plantain. See the unripe plantain. Okay. Peeling it. Want to be peeling it? And I'll be getting ready to pound it. This is unripe plantain. It's half done. I see the unripe plantain. I want to pound it. See the pounding. I finished pounding the plantain. Let's go. You ready? Are you seeing it? I just finished pounding it. Now, put the filling at the center. Make sure it's at the center. It's at the center. With the help of the nylon, when I close it, you're going to close it like this. While you are closing it, you are removing the nylon. You see? While you are closing it, you are removing the nylon. You see what I'm doing? Okay. To close it. You see? I'm using my fork to close it very well so that it will not open. You see what I'm doing? I'm using my fork to close it. Position this. You see? I'm still closing to make sure every mouth is closed very well. So that it will not open. To make it to be neat. Make it to be neat. You still need cut it very well. Use the egg on the body. I mean egg yolk. You gently remove it and put it inside plate, getting ready to enter the oven. You see it? Wow, too beautiful. You see it? Gentle, gentle. In a gentle way. Because this is not flour, it's plantain. You have to be careful while doing it. I hope you are getting me. It's not flour, it's unripe plantain. So while you are rolling it, you be very careful. In a gentle way. You can see what I'm doing. In a gentle way, make it to be bold, so that the filling will be at the center. Okay? Filling at the center. Make sure it's at the center. At the center, okay? Now, with the help of the nylon, you have to cover it. You see the way I'm covering? With carefulness. With carefulness. This is the time for closing. You close the mouth very well. You see what I'm doing? Make sure you close the mouth very well. Make sure you close the mouth very well. Because this is unripe plantain, not flour. Close the mouth very well. You see what I'm doing? This one is a very big pie. Fish pie. Now the next thing is smoothing the mouth. You cut it off, gentle, gentle. Cut it off. make it to be neat and attractive. Cut it off, gentle, gentle. Cut it off. Cut it off, gentle, gentle. Okay? Let's go. Enough cream in there. We bring the yolk. It is even good for a diabetes patient because it's unripe plantain. It's not flour. I hope you are getting me. Somebody that is diabetes can eat it and enjoy it very, very well. Okay? Because it's plantain, not flour. In a gentle way, you lift it up. You lift it up. You lift it up inside the plate. You see. You see the two? Now it's going to enter oven. Oven. Look at this, it's entering oven. Thank you very much. You can see this is my unripe plantain meat pie. Thank you for watching. Unripe plantain meat pie. You can see it. Wow! This is beautiful.